Ew. Daisy! Oh, she's gonna pick it out of her mouth. Oh, look at her. Her expression. What's going on? Are you teaching her how to crawl? Like that. You're not teaching her the right way.
Come on. Let's go get it. Come on. She's gonna drool over it. Go. Come on. Get it. Why do your tongue sticking out?
What is she doing? Hey. Daddy teaching you how to crawl?
Come on. Come on. Go get it. Get it.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Wait, this.
Look at this beautiful branch. I was trying so hard to get to it, and finally I am. Look it, this is so tough. Okay.
Oh gosh.
Do this. Hold on. And then, wait.
You're losing them.
I know.
Ah!
These are beautiful. Chanel, I'm gonna pass you. Like, holy, that's huge.
That's huge.
Awesome. Good thing I'm the one eating them.
Put it in your butt.
I forgot to bring the bag up here.
Uh-oh. Well, it's already really full.
I know, exactly.
Oh
But
my
these ones are the
gosh.
best ones yet.
Pick them ASAP before they all fall and get wrecked.
I know, exactly. These ones
Pick all of them.
I know, I'm trying. Have you noticed that on the floor over there, there's a bunch on the floor, hey?
Yeah.
But these ones, no.
Oh yeah.
Leah, what's Andy doing? Because this tree is
She's
strong.
like...
These ones are much better. Okay.
What is she doing?
Oh, I have 2 bowls.
Is she crazy?
Do you want
She's
some?
crazy.
You have 2 balls?
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
That's in the action.
Oh yeah.
I'm like standing on these little branches. They're so strong. Here, let me try and shake it.
No, don't make them fall. More that I have to rake.
I literally... Oh my gosh.
Please don't fall.
I think I will.
I think you're dumb.
Got it.
What are you doing? Are you sitting in the grass helping with yard work? That's really helpful. Thanks. You pick the grass so Daddy doesn't have to mow it. Bailey. Are you helping? You're cute. Gotta take a picture of you. You're so cute. Alright, so this is a wheelbarrow. And it is like pretty darn freaking full of apples.
I don't see any more apples on the tree, really.
From this tree. Yeah, there's not very many.
Very few.
Bailey, okay, this is the problem with crawling. I put her in a sitting position and she ends up at the rake. Can you take it away, please?
So,
Little stink. And then we have more apples in there. So, yeah.
still another tree.
And then there's that tree. So, that's fun. Bailey girl. She's enjoying crawling in the grass, actually.
We're about to eat this apple together. Fresh off the tree, hey baby? Pick off the leaf. Bailey.
Oh, she's looking at her daddy. What's he doing, huh? What's he doing? Are we ready to eat it? Here we go. Pick off the leaf and then throw it away. This is how we claim our apple. We're gonna not eat the leaf. We're gonna throw it away and eat this instead. Oh, you gave them apples?
Yeah.
That's funny.
We're running out though.
Really? Why?
Alright.
I can't see it.
Go on.
Oh, is the thing there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was full.
That's from the floor, people. And over there are my bags full. I have 3 huge bags full of apples, and I definitely could have kept picking. I picked them for you.
They're mine.
Fresh summer treats. Fresh summer treats.
Like baby bird and mama bird.
Mm-hmm.
Ew. Daisy.
Do that to Bailey. See if she does it. She will. Is that gross to you?
Really?
And you do it. Oh, she's gonna pick it out of her mouth. Oh, look at her. Her expression. What's going on there?
Still eating out.
No, it's funny. There's just always a chunk right in the same place. It's always in that bottom left corner of her cheek. Yeah.
Is my battery dying?
Yeah, actually, it is.
I wonder
Your
why.
point. Why? Chanel, tell us.
You keep freaking watching movies on it.
Movies? Really?
Yes.
Yeah, I just watched Grey's Anatomy and stuff.
I'm not getting a new battery.
And that's your loss.
I don't care. Just letting her suck the
Her
juice.
tongue, oh, you couldn't see that from the angle. I hope I got that. You saw that? Her tongue's like wrapping around.
That's how she nurses. That's
Aw,
why.
She's nursing the apple. I hope this is on her face. Yeah, it should be. I'm not releasing. Aw, what a big girl. She
That's
sees
how you
mommy.
get apple juice.
Yeah, she sees how mommy and auntie do it.
You do get
And then there's this suck.
Hi, Penny Boo.
both hands.
Aww.
Don't take it out of my mouth.
Yeah, she's really into it. Yum.
It's good.
Sucking. Keep them doctors away, Bailey.
See, Dad, do it again.
She's like, freaking out.
Yeah.